Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how we can use Python with Power BI. I received many questions regarding using Python with Power BI. Today we will have 3 exercises using Python with Power BI. This explanation is based on our course. If you'd like to contact us to take Power BI course from A to Z, please contact us via WhatsApp this number. Okay, so before using Python with Power BI, we need to install the main libraries of Python that are pandas and matplotlib. So first you need to go to your start menu and write cmd. You will find your command window here. Start writing the following code: python -m pep install pandas. This is the first library where we can save data, and click enter. It's already installed in my PC, but you may need to install it. This second library that is responsible for visualization, that is matplotlib. It's also installed on my PC. You may need to upgrade if you are using old version installed in, if the old version already installed on your PC, you may need to upgrade it. I will provide you with all the commands you may need to install Python before the end of this video. Okay, so let's start. We are going to start with a simple application. Going to new window, choose Python Visual, and I will choose sales and store count columns. You will find that it is already created using pandas and stored in the data set. And also the Python code remove duplication by default is shown here in the second line. So we'll start importing the first library, that is matplotlib dot python plot as plt short name. Then we will plot the histogram. We will use the dataset dot hist, then plt dot show. Then we can run. Okay, you can expand from here and zoom from here. This is the first application, first visual. The second one, we are going to plot a scatter plot using Python as well. We will choose this time sales state ID. Also import matplotlib dot python plot as plt. Then we are going to plot dataset of state ID in x-axis and sales in y-axis. You can write either between brackets or dot sales. Okay, then plt dot show, then run. Okay, now we want to convert this to scatter plot to be easier to show, so we will write practice O for scatter plot, and we can change its color to green like this. Here we go. We are done. Okay, if you are interested to know more formatting techniques using Python, you can contact us to take a dedicated session for Python with Power BI with all formatting techniques. Now, our final application and final visual that we started with this video, this violin plot. And this violin plot is using another library called Seaborn library, also using Python like this. We will use sales versus assortment description from another table, and we learned how to make relationship between different tables so that we can use different columns from different tables in the same visual. So now we are going to import both matplotlib python plot is plt, and also import Seaborn that is based on matplotlib. It is also library responsible for visualization but with more advanced visuals as SNS. And we will use sns.violin plot. We have x-axis and y-axis. X-axis that we are going to use dataset of assortment description. Any name should be between quotation, and y-axis will be sales. Then we will use plt.show. Then run. Here we go. We are done. This violin plot shows the distribution of sales for each assortment description. And as I promised you, here are the codes that you may need either to install Python libraries or to upgrade it. I wish you good luck and wait for more videos. Thank you.